just to show how you can, once you've resolved one of the decisions, how you can add that back into a strategy and tactic tree. In order to do that, you basically just have to make sure that you open both the decision that you want to resolve or have already resolved, as well as the strategy and tactic tree that you want to add it to. You need to have both of those open inside of the app. So the way to do that is, let's just say that I've resolved this conflict of should the CEO announce layoffs, and I've gone to, that's in my decision library, and in my strategy and tactic tree, I'm going to open up this strategy and tactic tree, and then I click work online. So that will then open up my strategy and tactic tree. Here in my S&T's design selection, I can see it open there, and if I go to S&T audit, I will see my decision inside here. And if I've already resolved it, essentially in this other option, so once I select it in the other options, I can say add it to the tree, and I can select it to say add it to my tree, okay. And that will take me back into that S&T view, and I can see there it's added it over there. If I double click on it to open it up, I can see that it's in there with my selected option, as well as the various assumptions that why this change was needed, and why I think that this when and when not is the best possible option to resolve it. So I can close it down, and then I can go back to my S&T and simply drag it to the place there where I think it needs to be. And to drag it, I'm going to just hover my mouse over the left-hand corner, as you can see there. And as soon as I get that little cross sign, it means I can drag it, and maybe I can move it over there. And there it is. So I hope that was useful. Let me know.